Every quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, has roots we can find exactly. Let's derive that formula by completing a square, keeping every step in view. First, divide every term by a, and move the constant to the right. Picture the left side as area. A square that is x by x gives x squared. The b over a times x term splits into two equal strips, each of width b over 2a. Those strips leave one corner missing, a small square of side b over 2a. To fill it, we add the quantity b over 2a squared, and to keep the equation balanced, we add it to both sides. Now the whole picture is one square, with side length x plus b over 2a. So the quantity x plus b over 2a squared equals b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. Take the square root of both sides. A square can come from a positive or a negative side, so we keep a plus or minus. Finally, subtract b over 2a and combine over the common denominator 2a. There it is, the quadratic formula, read straight from the square. Now look closely at the expression sitting under the square root. This expression, b squared minus 4a times c, has its own name, the discriminant, written with the Greek letter delta. With it, the formula reads x equals negative b plus or minus root delta over 2a. The sign of the discriminant alone tells us how many real roots there are. If delta is positive, the square root is a real, non-zero number, giving two distinct roots. The parabola crosses the axis twice. If delta is 0, the two roots merge into one repeated root, and the parabola just touches the axis. And if delta is negative, the square root is not real, so there are no real roots. The parabola misses the axis. Complete the square, and the quadratic formula falls right out, with the discriminant deciding how many real roots you get.